How you doing? I'm Chris Finnick from Mama's BBQ. You come and check it out. You got to. Ask around. And I haven't met one person that came here once.
Wow.
Yeah, I say, oh, like the first time customer, I say, oh, you will be back. And next time they come back, they're like, oh, you was back? Yeah, I said, yeah. You know.
Why did you decide to take on your uncle's business?
Well, it's like a family thing. You know, food is good. He taught us everything, how to, all the homemade recipes and everything. And just wanted to give that, do something that we love doing, cooking.
I mean, how long does it take you to cook your barbecue sauce?
Maybe about 4 hours. Depending on the size of it.
Wow.
We only cook a certain amount all the time. But it's well worth it. It's well worth it. The customers come in here, they lick their fingers, and then the cornbread is the doctor. Like sometimes we do specials. We do black eyed peas. We have cabbage. It's a lot of stuff that we do. But, it gets busy. So we try to cater to everybody. Get the customers what they want, make them feel like home when they come in. Oh yeah, the sweet potato pie is to die for. That's another recipe homemade. And the cakes, the desserts, and the peach cobbler, the pineapple coconut cakes, the sweet potato pie, strawberry cake, German chocolate. It's just to die for. The mac and cheese, the candy yams, the collard greens, the cabbage, the potato salad. I got all type of the chicken, the fried chicken, the pork ribs, the pulled pork. This flavor you get, you won't find this nowhere. Once you come here, you will be back. Mama's Southern Style Barbecue too. Everything is fresh and homemade here. Make sure you come and check it out. You got to. Ask around.
That's good.
For itself.
Oh, yay! We got to. Let's do that. Come on in.